Facebook, Instagram.
I'll give you the short
John here.
version of it.
Listen to this guy.
You probably won't even hear me. But I will give you the short version of it.
Just a heads up, we are at Paskapoo.
So this place is the oldest archaeological site in Calgary. It's about 8,500 years old. There used to be a native area that used to be a buffalo jump, and they have kill sites around here, or did have kill sites. Like I say, that's pretty much the short version. I will read through it again, and I'll give you guys more info as we go. Just because it's only fair to that. Said to Amy for finding out this information for us.
Yeah, she's actually been a good help with us with numerous things, actually. So thank you, Amy, to that.
She has been giving us a lot of research and info on places we do go.
We appreciate it, Amy, honestly.
Even though you can't tell. Amy. Yeah. So, and I promise to give you a shout out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Fucking B. Promise to give you a shout out in my video. So there it is. Thanks so much.
And Amy, thank you. I'll give you a shout out mine as well. So thank you as well.
2 shout outs.
You are providing a lot of info for us, and we truly do appreciate it. You get us to look at certain factors that
we don't ever think of doing.
Yeah, we don't think of doing. So
thanks.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, enjoy. And like we always say, if you do hear or see anything, please let us know.
Yeah, just let us know here while we cut through this bit of forestry here.
Yep.
And, you know, you've probably heard us say this numerous times in our previous videos, but this is just in the city, you know, this is in the city limits of Calgary.
Yep, still in the city.
Yep, some fun stuff.
And down, I think down this hill somewhere is COP, which is Canada Olympic Park, where we had the Olympics in
1988, 89-ish thing, I believe.
Yeah. So there's some more of the info.
Yeah. But like Neil said prior to me starting on my video, you guys, we've never been here before, so
this is new.
It's just all new to us. Yeah, I almost rolled my ankle on that one. Flip. That would have been bad. We just got here.
Yeah.
But like I was saying before, it was stupid. We've never been here before, so this is a new place for us.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool. We get to. We're gonna try some stuff on our end of what we want to do. You know, spirit box wise and things like that. EVP. But at the same time, trying to get to know this place too. So.
Go this way, John. Yeah, I don't want to end up out there right now, but looks like that's where we're going.
Yeah, kind of going into the open here now.
And unfortunately, I'm definitely not wearing
the right shoes for this. I myself have my my hiking shoes. I always have them with me.
I didn't think.
Now that I'm starting to wear them.
So, yeah. This is where we are. And just keep watching our great fun videos.
Yeah, you know, comment, subscribe to us.
Yeah.
If you haven't already.
Oh, I know this is no milestone, but with that vidIQ app, it said I hit 5,000 views today, guys.
And awesome, that's freaking awesome. And I personally hit, it's a week milestone, I guess you could say. I'm now over 450 views on my one video from the Owen Hart. Woo! So thank you and everybody on that.
Yes, thank you guys.
Thank you and kudos to everybody for with Neil, man.
Thank you all. So
I just truly remarkable.
Want to throw that out there for you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, that wouldn't have happened.
I'm just gonna give you a little spinorama of what we got going on. There's Neil. Hi, Neil. And then that's what we just came out of. But yeah, just continue to watch. Well, I guess
continue to watch us.
Upload it.
To us. As long as we keep uploading, you guys will be great. And
really awesome, you guys.
Yeah. Thank you all.
You guys actually want to put up with
there's a ski jump. I'll spin this around.
Oh yeah.
So that little
back there.
That little that thing there, that building there. As soon as I fall, friggin' there we go. It's a ski jump. That's part of COP.
Yeah.
So I guess COP's over that way. The line's not down at the bottom of this hill.
So there you go. But we're gonna have some photos, more videos, and stuff like that coming your guys' way. So pay attention, comment, like, subscribe, and as Neil always says, and I gotta start doing it too, smash that damn like button. Alright, quick check-in here. Going down some trail here, having some fun. We can't believe the landscape of this place as it is. It's beautiful. You know, we were discussing what our tops would be for landscape value of hiking, because you know, you guys obviously know that Neil and I love to hike. That's what we just love to do. So we said camping's number 1.
Yeah.
This place is now number 2.
Yep.
Nose Hill is number 3.
Yep.
And we have mixed emotions on 4 and 5.
Pretty much.
So that's a little fun tidbit for you folks. Beautiful weather out, so we're going to be stopping off shortly here, I'm pretty sure of, to really push to try and do a few things and see if we can get anything, because we know there is a few spots in here that we can check out.
Yeah.
That are worth our while for sure.
Oh, like.
So we got a guy on a bike coming through. See if he's coming through.
Oh.
Hey, go on ahead.
Thank you.
Hi.
2 of us.
Sounds good.
You're welcome.
Just be patient. We got some bikes coming through.
There.
Hey, folks.
Like I'm even sweating.
A little late on my intro here,
So,
but here we are on some safer, solid ground.
yeah, we're on some solid ground now.
Give you a bit of a look. My voice is probably a bit because I'm out of breath.
I'm going to start. And we had a few slips. We're okay. We didn't, you know, we're nothing serious.
No,
Just a few slips.
just really moist ground. Yeah, I said it, moist.
Turn us around again.
But
That's where we are now.
yep,
And
gives you
no, why not?
a look through.
Where we are. Because this place has just turned out to be phenomenal so far.
Yeah,
And we thought Nose Hill was bad for terrain and all this wooded area. But God, no.
no, this has
place
single-handedly destroyed that.
takes the cake. We haven't done this kind of intense hiking or whatever since camping, which is almost a year ago.
Yeah,
You know, about a month and probably a month today. It'll be a year. Something like that.
something like that.
So here we are. Here's a mushroom on a tree.
Yep, so you guys don't feel left out. Hey folks, just doing a quick check-in here. We're having some fun. We're trekking through some crap in here. Came down here, we're going down one section, I was hearing water running. And then, you know, kind of catches your eye and stuff like that. Go this way. Easier. All right, phone got hooked there, folks. But, okay. As I was saying, I heard water, and now we have come across and found the water. What's going on?
Traverse up there a little bit.
Yeah. But, yeah, so here we are. A little stream, you could really hear it though, up there. Huh? Oh yeah, here's the little runoff stream here. You know, Neil and I were just discussing before we hit record that how much, you know, we love Nose Hill and everything, but the terrain base in this has put Nose Hill to shame. Hey Neil, I think there's a path over here. So, you know, it's kind of cool. Let's see if I can do this without falling in. Okay, folks, I did it. Now let's try to do the rest of it and catch up to Neil here. But yeah, we're having fun. So I'll figure to show you guys a bit of this, of what we're doing in here and stuff. We literally just climbed down this, and now we're literally climbing it right back up again. What? So we're just trying to get a feel for this place a bit. Sorry folks, just trying to keep my balance here and record. Definitely some funness here. A little stuck. The stuff in here is not the most funnest to be climbing up on. I'm just making sure I get my proper footing to do so. There's Neil. What's up? Was it stupid? Whew. I'm just taking a quick second breather. Oh, you going back down? Trying to figure out, maybe. Oh, that's branching the crotch. Alright, I'm walking across the stream here. So there we are. More of it. We're down at the bottom part there. Steep it going through there. And Neil's up there. Got some liquor bottles in here. I haven't taken you guys on one of these at all. Figure why the hell not, you know. Beautiful in here. And we just literally got into this. Yeah, we haven't been in here long at all.
This journey in, we kind of walk up this ginormous friggin' hill again.
It sucked.
So we took a break, chilled out for a little bit. Now we're on the move again.
Yep.
Guys, yeah, it's fun. I'm gonna turn around, and you can see in front of me. So we went this way. Oh, where's my crutch? I think there's a trail that leads that way. And we, like I said, seen some cool stuff. Car tires, pink cans, a couple of bones.
Yeah.
Took one that you've seen. And yeah, on our journey again. It's kind of fun. You know, wander around third time.
It's beautiful here though.
Oh yeah.
Crazy beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And you can't go wrong with this place.
No, definitely can't.
And these ones have true bike trails in them.
Yeah. Yeah. That's all there is. 2 bike trails. There are maybe one somewhere, but you left that long ago.
Yeah.
So I think at some point I might try and get in there, depending on how this journey goes. Where we end up, where we gotta leave.
Yeah.
There's a dang woodpecker again. We're not going that way, we already went that way. Anybody who's followed us probably seen the post of my spiritual bird that's seen a woodpecker.
No, we've been hearing today is a woodpecker.
Up there somewhere.
Yeah, over yonder, over in there. Somewhere.
Somewhere over in there. So this is the path we took.
Yummy.
That one there.
Yeah.
We ended up back where we were.
Coming back up that nasty hill.
Yeah. So we're gonna ignore the woodpecker. Go this way.
Because we listened to the first time.
Yeah.
That's good stuff, but
Yeah. Can't go wrong. We're off into a good area. Sure we missed something, but tough cookie. We got more of this to explore.
and there's like I said to Neil earlier, there's no way you can cover this in one night.
Gosh, no. In fact, no. No way in heck. Oh. Someone's purse. Someone left the purse.
Yeah. Been ransacked.
Yeah. If there was anything in the first place.
Yeah. Sorry for being out of breath, guys. This place proved how out of shape I am.
Yeah. This place is definitely kicking my butthole.
Yeah.
Right in the arse. Try up there.
Right.
Come back.
I should have told you this guy by coming.
Keep on, but
Well, I guess you guys get to maybe somewhat adventure with us up here
yeah.
until I have enough and turn it off.
Normally we turned it off by now, but you guys can have some of this for the next few branches like the beginning.
Yeah. We like to venture off.
Yeah, just letting you no fat man trail. Just these little trails. I looked at this. Not many people come through here.
And if people wonder why we call them fat man trails, because they are very fat trails.
Yeah, they're big, wide trail. Man-made. So we're just trying to keep our eyes open.
Yeah.
Cool things. Body's not gonna like me.
No. I was thinking the same thing just like 2 seconds ago. Now my body's gonna hate me.
Try this way. Go downhill for one.
You wanted to go all the way down. Remember?
Oh yeah, we went all the way down already.
Yeah. We've been to the bottom. It's kind of cool little bridge here. Oh, sorry folks, I'm going to turn this off now. Hey. Hey folks, just doing a quick check-in here. There's Johnny here, and there's Nelly down there. So we've been jaunting through. We've hit some good trails. Had some fun. Oh yeah. Now to the person Amy who basically gave us a lot of the info here of you know, the Suicide Hills, I guess you could say, for the buffalo jumps and stuff like that. Crazy factor, we're coming across bones now. And they're not a deer bone. They're way too big. The ones that we have come across are for a larger type animal, so it's kind of cool that way. Yeah, I figured I'd just do a quick check-in with you guys and give you the heads up. And I'm sweating my ass off out here, just letting you guys know. Neil went up in this one area and found like random car parts, an alternator, a fan, a few other good things. So yeah, we're just keeping our eyes out, finding bones and some nifty little things. So hopefully soon here we'll find a spot where we feel it's adequate enough, I guess you could say, to try and do a couple of things. So yeah, here we are. Beautiful, beautiful spring night here in Calgary. And after this, the next 5 days, shit. Rain, rain, rain. Alright. So that drain that, or the stream, sorry, we were talking about, it ends here. Here, and lo and behold, the old streamo ends here.
Yeah, like John was saying, the stream we were following this whole time ends here.
Yeah, it's a good hike too. It's a really, really good hike through here, folks, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah. And John was saying in his video earlier, well, that we were ranking, you can't even see me, so it doesn't matter. But we were ranking some of our top hiking spots. And camping is number one, because that was
Obvious reasons.
Treacherous, but great hikes. This is number 2. Nose Hill is number 3. And we were, like John was saying, we were kind of tossing it up between 4 and 5, but as far as I'm concerned, can't compare the 2 that we were thinking of to this kind of terrain.
Nope. And you can't really compare Nose Hill to this.
Well, no. But
Nose Hill, once you get up top, it's just flat.
Yeah,
unless if you actually indulge into it.
Yeah. It still has some sort of friggin' stream.
Yeah, there's another stream, folks. Streams everywhere.
Streams everywhere.
It's awesome.
Lots of runoff.
So that's good news for people who like to do what we do.
Yeah. So yeah, enjoy the view.
Yeah, and the nice thing about this place too is there's like only one set of Fatman trails.
Yeah. One set.
The rest is all bike.
And one Fatman trail where you gotta venture off into that. Like you seen earlier.
Yep.
Which we will be getting back into here shortly. Because I know there's more to view. Bike trails.
Yeah.
We all know bike trails go one way. You come one way, you go one way. They all end up somewhere.
I don't know. There's been like some of them had like 3 or 4 different trails in one section though.
They all end up somewhere.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah.
Like I said, I like seeing pictures of old cars.
Somewhere here.
Cars that are around here somewhere. More stream.
More streamage.
They're everywhere so far.
Yeah.
Short little spurt videos.
Okay, so we found this cool little structure thing in here.
Oh yeah.
Figure, you know, I'm in it. Might as well give you guys a quick view of it. It's made for short people.
Yeah, we found it jack or something.
Yeah. You'll notice in the previous video we were doing some voice box session. We were getting some hits. What?
There's a bear.
Huh?
Little stuffed animal.
That's creepy. There's like a piece of broken pottery.
Yeah, there's 2 pieces in there.
What if it's some kids' stuff, you know?
Love. Oh, look at that. Hippo?
Yep. It's kind of a cool little area.
Yeah. Oh, there's a fucking park right there. Somebody in the community probably made this.
Huh?
Somebody in the community probably made this.
Yeah. Still cool though.
Yeah. Good job on it.
Yeah.
At least you've seen something cool. Well, I shouldn't say that. We've seen a few cool things already.
It's just the scenery itself is
Yeah. What?
it's worth it.
Oh, excuse me. I almost think we should do something.
Think
Yeah.
we can with the kids?
Yeah, I was gonna say no, that's not doing much. I think we're gonna continue it on.
It seems like yeah, whoever started doing this, like Boy Scout leader.
That's pretty cool.
You know, this is the stuff you need to be able to do if you ever want to be a Boy Scout leader. A little exit here.
Don't sit in part of that size one.
Huh?
Don't sit in part of that size one.
Yeah. This leads to an open spot here. Probably head back the other way.
Yeah.
So I'm not peering in on someone's backyard.
Good close.
Yeah, those are the rich folks. They make me feel uncomfortable to be in this area. Just saying.
Yep.
We better not be going back down, yo. Well, there's something over there in the ground. Yeah. Kind of interesting. I must be getting ready to collect these.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.